Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can perform the hard reset of your JBL Clip 4 speaker. So first of all, you have to remember to power on your speaker by using this power button. And next, we are going to click and hold this power up button and the Bluetooth button together. It will take around 10 seconds. So let's do this right now. Click and hold it, and after this time our speaker will turn off. And also this status on the smartphone connection will disappear. As you can see right now, it just turns off. So right now when we are going to turn it on, click and hold the power button. Our speaker is already in the pairing mode. So right now when I try to select my previously connection, as you can see I got the new pairing request. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.